Every year I throw a brunch for all my friends just because I live pretty close to the parade route. I completely spaced on the timing this year and I have 3 days to get this thing together. Those are something I am not willing to make for this event. Time just keeps creeping up on me. People are about to start showing up. I have some things that need to get done. We're gonna get this party started. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great week. Mine just got a little bit more chaotic, and it's completely on me because time just keeps creeping up on me. And I thought I had at least another week to plan my big brunch that I throw every year. And I don't know why I got my week switched around, but Pride is actually this weekend in West Hollywood, and I live right next to the parade, and every year I throw a brunch for all my friends. Just because I live pretty close to the parade route, it makes it easy. People can come here, eat a little, drink a little, go watch the parade if they want to. It's a fun event. And I do it every year, and it's pretty chill, except that I completely spaced on the timing this year, and I have 3 days to get this thing together. Now, we all know I can do this in 3 days. That's not the question. The question is how big I want to go. How stressed out do I want to put myself? I was looking at recipes and stuff because I want to bake a little bit. I want to make it, have a little bit of me in it. I got to make it uniquely me. So I have been going through some recipes that I think are doable in a couple days without really stressing myself out because I still have to clean the entire apartment. I have to go run and buy all of this stuff, which is what today is for. There's a lot to do, but it can be done. It just is a question of how extra I'm planning on being this year. So today, right now, I am going to be hitting the stores. I just want to get all of my shopping done today. So that way, over the next day or two, I can really just focus on, getting the food together, getting the apartment together, and just having a really, really fun day on Sunday. I already sent out all the invites because I was like, oh shoot, it's coming up. I need to get this out. So I did that really quickly, and people are down. Everybody's still coming. Everybody was expecting it to happen. I just was not on the same page as everybody else, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll get there. We'll get it done. First things first, let's go buy everything. The good news about this being a brunch or breakfast is that if ever I was going to have to pick a meal to plan last minute, brunch would definitely be it, because there's so many different options you can do with breakfast foods. There's so many pre-made stuff that you can do. I think that's mainly the reason why I'm not stressing out a lot more than I would be at any other kind of last minute thing that I was planning. If I was trying to plan my holiday dinner party last minute, I would be stressed. But there's a lot more flexibility. Not to mention, it's a very come and go thing. There's going to be a lot of people. It's going to be buffet style, so I have a lot more flexibility with it. But like I said, it just really depends on how much I want to be extra and go over the top, because I'm going to do it. But who knows? Maybe I'm going to be better with timing. I say this every time, and I'm never better with timing. Okay, stop one. Let's go. Those are something I am not willing to make for this event. It is baking day, and I was going back and forth between what recipes I wanted to do because obviously I don't have a lot of time and I don't want to go too over the top. I bought the croissants. I ended up buying muffins. I was thinking I was gonna make muffins, but the blueberry muffins were just sitting there staring at me, so I was like, I can save myself a little time there. I think what I want to do is use these little loaf pans that I have and these little bundt cake pans that I have. I think with the loaves, I'm gonna do just like a banana bread. Make it really simple. I think that's gonna be great. With the buns, I think what I'm gonna do is just a plain vanilla cake bundt, but then I can make a couple different types of icing. Like I'm thinking of doing a maple icing, doing like a lemon icing. So I can kind of mix it up that way and change those up that way and just have a couple different flavors. And I think that'll add a nice variety. And I think that's enough with the baked goods because I'm gonna have a lot of savory type breakfast foods as well. So I think there's gonna be plenty of stuff. And these are honestly pretty good size, you see there. So, I mean, when I serve them, I'll probably cut them into quarters or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, those are the projects for today. I have to start with the banana bread because the bananas that I got, obviously, are not ripe enough. So I need to throw them in the oven so that I can really brown them and ripen them up so that they're gonna have a lot of those sugars and a lot of the flavor that you want from a like really, really, really ripe banana. For the lemon ones, I think instead of just doing a standard vanilla cake, I think I'm just gonna put a little bit of lemon zest into the batter. I don't wanna put any lemon juice because I don't wanna mess with the consistency, add more liquid in there. But I'm just gonna add just a little bit of lemon zest just to punch up the vanilla flavor. And then obviously the drizzle on top is gonna be a lot more lemony. Let's start this banana bread. So I have my second batch of bundt cakes, and I have my first batch of the banana bread going. Everything's taking way longer than these recipes told me they would. I don't know if I just am using a little bit larger of a pan. I don't know. But first ones came out pretty good. I think I could have probably greased them a little bit better. So the second batch I greased really, really well as the banana breads. So fingers crossed those all come out perfect. And it's getting hot in here. So tomorrow is the big day, and I'm feeling pretty good. Mainly because I'm having a lot of ideas. Things that if I had more time would be so extra. But I'm feeling really good about telling myself no about things and things that I was just like, I don't want to add another thing to my plate. I do have a little bit of baking to finish up. I need to do the glazes on those bundt cakes still, which should be, knock on wood, pretty easy. But today I really want to focus on just getting the entire apartment ready, getting this place so clean so that tomorrow really I can just wake up and focus on the actual cooking of the potatoes, the eggs, the actual breakfasty foods that need to be made on the day. That's the goal. So today, deep cleaning this apartment, getting it perfect for tomorrow. Let's go. House is looking great. I'm gonna hop back into the kitchen and go ahead and finish those bundt cakes really quickly, make those 2 glazes, and then I pretty much am home free until tomorrow morning. Now that I have the base done, I'm gonna divide it into 2 because I have 2 different, I'm gonna do 2 different ones. I'm gonna do one as a maple glaze and one as a lemon glaze. Today is the day, guys. I am feeling good. Not stressed at all, which is wild for me when I host a party because normally I feel like I have a million things that I have to get done. And I have some things that need to get done and people are showing up in about 2 hours. But I'm feeling good. feeling prepared. The apartment looks great. I'm going to run over to Trader Joe's really quickly and just pick up some flowers because I have a couple empty vases laying around that I think should be filled because I'm gonna have guests. So I'm gonna run and pick those up and we can start setting up the buffet and people should be getting here around 11. It's gonna be a fun day. Let's do it. All of the streets are closed down for the parade, so it's really quiet and peaceful. So I think I want to put the buffet on that console table right there. That just makes the most sense to me. I could do it on, oops, sorry, spinning around this one, but I'm afraid I don't want food next to the couch and stuff, even though that's a little bit more central. I think it's just gonna make my life, it's right next to the kitchen. It's gonna make my life a lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out places for this giant vase and this little candle thing. I'm gonna start cooking. People are about to start showing up. So I am gonna throw my music playlist on and we're gonna get this party started. Let's go. I really love that the first time ever that I'm super prepared and on time, everybody's late. Never happens when I'm running behind. They always show up early. Guess who has been the bestest girl this whole party? She's a good girl. She's a good girl. Hello! Hey. Oh, you make it. There she. That's why? What? Porta potty.